Hi, this is Michael Tallis with the Tallis team. I'm standing in front of our latest, this time it's a listing for lease, 322 West Sunnyoaks in Campbell. Let me turn the camera around and show you the place. It's a small development. It's a townhome, about 45 units in the development. So this is a two-story townhome, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Entrance, and you get into the living room. Wood-burning fireplace, and you have a patio. Galley kitchen, and you have a dining area. That's right where the chandelier is. Nicely updated kitchen. Dining area again. And the kitchen. Kitchen open to the living room. Nice open floor plan. Downstairs you also have a laundry and half bathroom. The laundry is right here. Washer dryers stacked. Let me close it. And half bathroom. With a storage cabinet here. You also have a pantry under the staircase. So here is a peek of what's inside. Both bedrooms are upstairs. So here in the corridor, you have 3 doors. The one straight is the primary bedroom. It has 2 closets. recessed lighting. And by the way, this home has air conditioning. Going back into corridor. To the right is the second bedroom. Also recessed lights and a ceiling fan. And upstairs, there is a full bathroom. With a shower over tub. Let's check the patio. We're back to living room, and from here you have access to the patio. This unit is available for rent immediately. The address and my contact information is in the description of this video. Hope you like the unit and would like to rent it. Talk to you soon.